Let's start the drawing with first of all clearly observe the main object of reference that can give you a clear idea of remaining objects. Remember important points. Start any drawing with the basic shade. Divide the basic shape according to the reference. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this tutorial's got you covered. There is no need for detailed drawing in start, just focus on alignment, placement and angles of the objects. Break down your drawing into smaller shapes like puzzles. Connect these shapes to make your drawing look real. Here I like to mention one thing, that when we start shading there are two ways that we can go from light to dark side or dark to light, but I think it's much easier to go to dark to light because there are no specific rules for this. Experiment with shading techniques that feel good to you. This gives your drawing depth and makes it pop. Details come later. Remember one thing, we don't need to focus on minor details. First we have to make the form of the object. After getting a 3D form we can go with minor details. Make sure that form doesn't disturbed by reflection of the shade, just ignore it for some time. In a drawing the main part is simplifying the object. This is the achievement of drawing. There are no specific rules. Every artist has his own tips and tricks which comes through continuous practice. If you want to achieve perfection you must need strong observation and development of muscle memory through continuous practice. Use your pencil lightly to add some shading. Hold back on small details in the beginning. Get the main stuff right first, like putting together a puzzle. Save the little details for the final touches. Reflections can wait. Ignore reflections for now, they can be a distraction. Once your main drawing is set, add reflections bit by bit. Think of reflections like an extra layer you add at the end. Keep it simple. Make things simple and clear. Focus on the important parts of what you're drawing. Less is often more in drawing. Your style matters. Don't stress about following strict rules. Try different things until you find what feels right for you. Your drawing style will grow as you keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Remember, getting better takes time. Practice regularly, and you'll see improvement. Each drawing is a step toward becoming a master at it. Enjoy each step, and have fun bringing your drawings to life. Thanks for watching. Please press the like button and subscribe the channel because I will be continuously posting art videos in future.